Now bread and garlic, it really is two things that just go so well together. But it can take a while to make, but with my version, it's all done in a mug and takes just a few minutes. G'day, welcome to Todd's Kitchen. Garlic bread is an old staple. Sometimes you have it with pizza, sometimes as a side for dinner, sometimes just as a treat, but either way, it is easy and simple. So today I'm going to make it super simple and easy, so join me today as I make my version of garlic bread in a mug. Now we're going to start this off with a mug. Now you can use any mug that you like. I'm going to use my personalized one. And the best part about this recipe is that everything is put into the mug all at once, so you don't have all that extra washing up to do. So into our mug, we're going to add in 4 tablespoons of plain flour or self-raising flour. Now if you're using plain flour, just add, say, half a teaspoon of baking powder. And next, to enhance the flavor, we're just going to add just a little bit of salt, then half a tablespoon of melted butter, 3.5 tablespoons of milk, 2 tablespoons of shredded cheese, any cheese, it's up to you, whichever you prefer. And lastly, some dried garlic. And I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of that. And simply give it a very good mix around until all the ingredients are well combined. Okay, so once everything is well combined, we're going to place this into the microwave on high for about a minute. And you know it's done when you tap it on top and it springs back and you'll have that lovely garlic bread aroma. Now would you look at that, and it smells delicious. The kitchen is already filled up with a lovely, lovely smell of garlic. Now I'm a huge garlic fan, and I always add more garlic than what any recipe ever says, and I'm sure a lot of you do too. So while garlic isn't exactly an ingredient you'd use on a first date, it definitely is something that you use at home and at restaurants for a great meal. So for all you lovers of garlic bread out there, this is a very simple recipe to make. So you can see all that lovely melted cheese throughout our garlic bread in a mug. So it's still slightly moist from the milk and the butter, as well as of course the cheese. And it tastes absolutely fantastic. And when you have it in a delicious mug like this, you know it's going to taste simply delish.